Yo, 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 what's up, y'all? It's Alex Jenkins checking in. Looking at United Wholesale Mortgage. I've talked about this with a few people, but let's take a look at it and let's do an analysis on this thing. So, right out the gate, it opened at $9.60. So, if anybody would have jumped on it, it came into play through a SPAC. So, if you would have jumped on this thing, it ran all the way up to $14. You could have made money. Anybody tell you to hold it very long, but you definitely could have made money on it right away. In a matter of a few months, and you'd have been good to go. So the thing came open in April. By the time the end of the year to December, you made your money. At $9.60, and you could have bought plenty shares of this thing and made you a nice, pretty coin on this thing. I'm just gonna let you know right out the gate. But let's get into the analysis, y'all. All right, let's go. So we're getting some early in the game price points here. I can't tell you what that market spiked. That thing spiked up so big, it's ridiculous. And this is a weekly chart, guys. So y'all know if y'all, keeping up the channel, you know what's going on. So that high was at 12.45. Let's get this thing on the roll. I'm gonna hit it on the head right there. I know I do it blue, so let's go. The open, we're gonna put the open right there. 960. Put one on the 960. That's the opening price. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in, opening price. Open. Let's put open price. Sure, let's do it a different color. Since we call it opening. What's some good color? The opening and green. All right. We'll look at everything here. All I didn't do is get the price correct. So that's the opening price. Here is right here. Uh, all right, we're just gonna go to the weekly, to the day chart now. We can get some more. So we know we got some. We know we got better resistance right here. Let's find out what this bottom is. 99. That ain't right. Let's get it later. All right, we pretty much there. So we see what's going on here. We definitely got a let's get a trend line on this thing while we're on the day chart, y'all. So we know it moved down. It broke through the trend line, so we gonna draw like that. That's a price break. That's some market manipulation that was going on. So we're not gonna worry about that. But this is the trend line, and we got a current trend line right here. All right, let's go down to a smaller time frame here. See how we're looking here. Oh yeah. So we got the low here. We got a high right there, 1245. We got some resistance here at this price. So let's get that drawn up. Oh, we got this trend line. Turn into one. Resistance level there. We know we have one here as well, but we got one already in place, so we don't have to really do anything with that. All right, guys. So what's going on with United Wholesale Mortgage, and where's the next trade? We got a low right here, so we got a low, and we got another support level right here. Put a support level right there. Gotta get that price though. All right, what that price was. That low was 775. All right. So we got a level of support. And right now we have a ranging market, guys. A ranging market. So it's been ranging, and it made this this market spike, came down, continued to move down, hit this support level, and now it's moving into this area here. Another level of support here. And these are your buy areas, y'all. You want to buy this stock. This is your buy area. Oh, come on. Can I get it, guys? Oh, there it is. There's your buy area. You want to buy this thing, that's where you buy it. You choose to hold it, anything like that. You choose to hold it, but you can buy that between $8.23 and $7.75. And eventually, this will be a good trade. You know, you can hold it. You can cover these levels right here: $9.20, $9.60, $9.91, or you can take it all the way to $10 if it make its way back up here and test its resistance level. And you can go into the do some research on the company, see what they're doing up to date. Are the numbers still remain the same? Are they still the number two mortgage loaner out there? And the mortgage market has been fairly steady. So there you go. You can make a decision, do your own analysis, and you see what's going on. But this is what's going on with United Wholesale Mortgage, and this is where you can buy the market and possibly make some money. Alex, you can check it out.